Welcome to my workshop, a place for crafts, creativity, and just a touch of chaos. I'm Mr. Zoto, previously PokeWelder Zach, and I just finished my first major project creating all 29 starters out of bike chains. That's right, all 29 starters Gen 1 through 9, including Pikachu and Eevee. It took me a full year to do this project. The first 3 months were prototyping and making designs, and then the next 9 months were refining the designs, putting out weekly videos, and documenting my build process for each sculpture, putting them into the Bike Chain Starter series. With all that, let's take a little recap to the Bike Chain Starter series and see what all I made. If you're an artist or appreciate this type of work, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future projects or series. This was the first major series I did on this channel, and I've got a lot more to come. So again, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave a comment on what future series you'd like to see, or just future sculptures in general. And with all that, thank you, see you later alligator, and sign off with the Totodile smile.